The 476 flight log is where members keep track of flight hours and kills accomplished after each mission flown. In this video, we'll learn how to register and use the flight log. First, click the Flight Log tab from the homepage. Next, click the Register Flight button. When new to the forum, you must first enter the activation key provided to you when you join in order to activate the flight log. Once the key is entered, leave your current primary squadron for the 74th Flying Tigers, unless otherwise instructed, and click Submit. You have now activated your flight log. Now let's register a flight. In order to register a flight, click the flight log from the homepage. Then, click Register Flight button. Once activated, the flight log will now enable you to enter your flight details. First, choose your wingman from your mission. In a 2-ship, 1 and 2 should choose each other respectively. In a 4-ship, 1 and 2 should choose each other, and 3 and 4 should choose each other. When flying solo, choose Solo from the list of members. Next, choose your airframe. Next, choose your mission type. During IQT-MQT, regardless of activity, all missions should be logged as training. Next, choose the status. Select code 1 if you RTB'd with no damage to your aircraft. This includes system failures. If a random system failure happened, but your airframe was otherwise undamaged, you may still log code 1. Code 2 is when your airframe has taken damage from enemy fire or mishandling. Code 3, if you eject from your airframe. Code 4 for both blue and red aircraft means you have crashed the aircraft. For blue aircraft, it additionally means you were killed by enemy fire. If a red aircraft has been killed by enemy fire, he should log it as code 5. Next, enter your flight hours. The flight hours can be kept in one of several ways. Primarily, members at the 476 use the time from a TACView recording as such. Here's a TACView mission I've flown. Scrolling down in the flight log, I will choose this time from the ACMI recording, 2 hours, 39 minutes. Day hours are typically logged until sunset. Night hours are sunset to sunrise. If a particular mission includes both day and night hours, as of the time of day you've flown, it is fine to log both day and night hours in one log entry. Next, enter the number of times you did an air-to-air refueling. This does not include disconnects. For example, if you disconnect 5 times during a single air-to-air refuel, still log as one air-to-air refuel. Landings. Touch and goes may also be logged. For kills, no kills may be logged during training. This includes IQT and MQT. In combat, if an air-to-air kill is accomplished, you may log the number of kills. The same for air-to-ground, which includes all ground vehicles and positions. If not a vehicle, such as a tank or an IFV, log the ground killed as a structure killed, such as towers. For ships, log naval kills. Once you've completed the form, click the Submit button. The flight log will be updated immediately. On the Overview tab, you can see the status of all members and their total flights, days, hours, and kills, and the last time they flew. Additionally, you can see statistics for the entire squadron. The Last 100 Flights button shows the last 100 flights across the entire squadron. The My Profile button shows your own profile, who you've flown with, the number of hours flown, night, day activity, airframes flown, and general statuses of your mission. The My Flight buttons show statistics and a log entry for just your flights. This has been an overview of the 476 flight log.